Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone SE and showing off some key features. Alright, I'm not going to waste any time. This is the newest iPhone that came out just a few weeks ago. I'll go ahead and start unboxing it now for you guys. All right, your average iPhone box. All right, first things first, get your usual stuff in there. Got the SIM pin right here. Got your stickers. All right, let's put that to the side. All right. And right here is your new iPhone SE. Same exact design as the iPhone 8, but all the internals are from the iPhone 11 Pro. All right, so this new iPhone here features the A13 Bionic chip from the iPhone 11 Pro. Features a 12 megapixel rear camera, 7 megapixel front camera, 4G LTE connection. Got your simple layout right here. Got the vibrating switch, volume up and down, power button, headphones, lightning charger USB. Got the wall outlet. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off the screen. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. Well, you can see where they cut some costs here with the screen size, no Face ID, phone size, materials, the screen quality, everything. They had to, of course, cut back on it to get at the right price point for certain consumers. And the screen itself, the resolution is 720p with a True Tone display here. It's a pretty big difference from my iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's not as bright, of course, but of course they have to cut back on some costs. I got the lock button here. The back is that same glass finish as the iPhone 8. So if you have like a case for the iPhone 8 for the iPhone 7, this will work just fine for it. You got your Touch ID sensor here. No Face ID on this. Same software, iOS 13. All right, so to start, this iPhone SE boasts a Retina HD display. It's 4.7 inch screen size, 1334 by 750 pixel resolution at 326 ppi. Also boasts a True Tone display with haptic feedback. The new iPhone SE comes in 3 different colors. The one I got is white, but it comes in black and also a product red color. It also comes in 3 memory sizes, 64 gig, 128 gig, and 256 gig. The one I got here is 64 gig. The processor this phone runs on is the A13 Bionic chip, which is the same chip as in the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. The camera is the 12 megapixel wide camera and the 7 megapixel front camera. It's also splash, water, and dust resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. The iPhone SE records 4K video at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second. Also at 1080p HD, records at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. And with 720 HD, video recording is at 30 frames per second. With optical image stabilization, digital zoom up to 3 times. So the camera on this phone is not bad at all, actually. Also does slow-mo video at support for 1080p at 120 frames per second or 240 frames per second. Also supports continuous autofocus. With regards to wireless connectivity, this phone supports up to the Wi-Fi 6 with 2x2 MIMO support, Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology, also has NFC. The battery and power on this lasts about the same as the iPhone 8. Video playback is up to 13 hours. Video playback streaming like Netflix and all that is up to 8 hours. Audio playback is up to 40 hours. Fast charge capable, up to 50% charge in 30 minutes with the 18-watt adapter, which is sold separately. It also supports wireless charging too. So since this doesn't support Face ID, it has Touch ID, same as the iPhone 8, where you can just use your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Alright, that's simple. And last but not least, the iPhone SE comes out the box with new iOS 13, the most recent update. Wow, compared to my iPhone 11 Pro Max, this thing is tiny. So let me know what you guys think. Is this phone worth buying right now in 2020? A few months before the iPhone 12 comes out, if it comes out this year. Should you buy the iPhone 11 Pro or just go ahead and save yourself a few $100s and get the iPhone SE with the same internals? If you don't really care about camera or screen size or screen quality really, I mean, I think this phone is perfect. So just save yourself some money, go for this phone here, wait until the new iPhone 12 comes out, if it's called the iPhone 12, if it comes out sometime this year. And just save yourself some money, yeah, and go for this one. I mean, please let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this phone, if it's worth it, if you guys think you should just buy this instead of the iPhone 11, save yourself a few $100s. Just go ahead, let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next time.